Of Marcos supporters gather inside the libingan ng mga bayani. A lone protester stands outside the cemetery's gates. Our Rex Remitio gives us the latest live from Taguig. Rex, tell us more about what's happening there right now and about this lone protester.
Even if there are at least hundreds up to 2,000 Marcos loyalists inside the libingan ng mga bayani, this is not an issue for John Leo Algo. He is an atmospheric science student of the Ateneo de Manila University and the lone anti-Marcos protester who went here early this afternoon. He says there's no need for him to express or to join a group to express his disdain over what he calls the disrespect of history and martial law victims.
First of all, I'm not going to hurt anyone. It's 2,000 against 1. Doesn't that sound a bit overwhelming even for me? Besides, I'm not here to instigate any kind of violence, or I'm just simply here to express my disappointment for this particular chain of events.
Meanwhile, other anti-Marcos groups are also convening today to determine when will they conduct their future protest actions. Some Marcos loyalists, meanwhile, say they respect the feelings of those who are against the burial. But for them, there's no reason for the Marcos family to explain anything to those who oppose the hero's burial.
Para sa akin, wala naman silang obligasyon na pagsabihan pa ang lahat tungkol sa paglilibing at naaayon naman ito sa kagustuhan ng dating Pangulo na maging payak lang yung paglilibing sa kanya.
The loyalists have started leaving the cemetery by boarding their buses, although tomorrow there's still a handful of loyalists who will go here and pay some respects to the former president.
Thank you. Rex Remitio there joining us live from the libingan ng mga bayani.